What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of CryptoRuff, where we demystify cryptocurrency every single day. Here is the video we've all been waiting for, our 1,000 subscriber $50 Litecoin giveaway video. I wish I could give away more, but that'll have to do for now. So if we look right now, my current subscriber account on YouTube is 1,015 subscribers. So just right off the bat, let's do our very first giveaway. We've got our video all locked in here, guys. I'm super excited for the growth on the channel. It's absolutely blown my mind to be able to get to 1,000 subscribers. So right now we have Ralph Theo Cryptos. Nice video. Here's my Litecoin address. All right, Ralph, let's go ahead and send you $10 worth of Litecoin right off the bat, starting the video strong here. So we've got 5 giveaways in total, this being the first one. Looks like everything checks out here. Congrats on winning. Here is your Litecoin. All right, that's our first giveaway of the day. Let's queue it up for a second one, and let's go ahead and exit this. So congratulations, Ralph. So just blown away by all the support on the channel. I cannot believe we got to this point, and as promised, I want to talk about our Discord chat. So I now have a Discord group, guys. Go ahead and join up using that link down below. It's a free community where, let's just move me really quick, where we have a few different topics we can talk about. There's the general topic for all questions, memes, funny talk, just community relations. Wallets, talking about your favorite wallets. Exchanges, talking about what exchanges you're using, what exchanges are the best fee-wise, and just really creating content based on different exchanges and different things exchanges offer. Of course, we have ICOs. That's probably going to be huge this next year, and a lot of stuff's going to be going on here where I talk about ICOs I'm interested in investing in, where you guys are sharing with each other about what you guys are invested in. We've got altcoins, so everyone's posting their favorite altcoins, and then for all you Bitcoin purists, we have a special group for you guys as the Bitcoin purists, so you guys are able to come in, talk solely about Bitcoin and whatever else you guys talk about, probably mainly Bitcoin and Bitcoin technologies and the uses of Bitcoin. And then we have a spam your links page. I actually really like this page right here because so many people want to spam their referral links all the time, and I get that. You want people to join up under you and join your team and work together as a community, and so I want to keep that out of the general chats and wallets and everything. I want to have these pages focused on what they're talking about, and especially the general page I want just for general topics. So I actually have a spam your link page, so you guys can totally go spam your links here. Not responsible for anything you guys may click there or join up under if it's, you know, useful or not, but I may throw a link in there once in a while. But I really want to encourage you guys just to share with each other, to build community with each other where we're talking, encouraging each other. So let's do our second giveaway for the day and then kind of go over the overview of what the Discord group is. So let's head on over to our giveaway here and go ahead and start our giveaway for the second $10 Litecoin giveaway of the day. Let's see who the winner is. Winner is Steven Torres. Wow, solid strategy. Going to use this when I make my first investment in DAVORCOIN. So glad you are able to invest odd amounts as well. Yes, I love being able to invest odd amounts. That's really nice. Then I don't have a bunch of leftover change, and every cent counts when you're compounding interest. So he's talking about my reinvesting for 8 weeks strategy and then pulling out for 4 weeks after that. Some people, you know, you can do reinvesting 4 weeks, pulling out 4 weeks, reinvesting 4 weeks. Find a strategy that works for you. The one I'm going to use is reinvest for 2 months and then withdraw for 2 months, taking profits when I can. So let's go ahead and send you your Litecoin, Steven. Heading over to our Litecoin wallet here, sending you $10 worth of Litecoin. Congrats on winning. All right, man, here is your Litecoin. So your Litecoin is on its way. So let's go back over here to our CryptoRuff page. I'm actually calling the group CryptoRuffians. So I've been thinking of different names, and I thought, why not CryptoRuffians? It fits the name. So welcome to the CryptoRuffian community, guys. Here are a few rules to follow. We are first and foremost a crypto community. I want the community to function as a family where we share our successes, our failures, our greatest wins, and our biggest mistakes with one another. So that's really important to me, guys, that we're together as a community when we're winning, when we're making money, when we're doing well, when we're succeeding, and that we're learning from each other, from our mistakes, that we're not afraid to share our failures and mistakes with one another. You know, I'll admit right now, a mistake I made was not taking enough profits from BitConnect. I was really excited about reinvesting, and I lost out. What did I learn from that? Take profits in the beginning. Don't wait too long to start taking profits. I learned learn that, I'm welcome to share that mistake with you guys so that we can all learn together. So that's just an example of how I want this community to function, that we really learn from each other's successes, learn from our failures, and most importantly, that we can grow with one another in 2018 and the years to come. Here we can share info, our theories, hopes with one another. Cryptocurrency is an ever-expanding field, and we need each other's support to navigate through it, leading us all to financial freedom. So that is my biggest goal, guys, that not only I would achieve financial freedom, but that all of my subscribers, all of the followers here, that also all of the CryptoRuffians community would also find their way to financial freedom, just really building an awesome support system. So that's a little bit of the overview. Let's do our third giveaway of the day and get back to this. So starting with giveaway number 3, who's it gonna be? Let's see here. Winner is Camilla Gerlinda. Amazing achievement so far. Keep it going. Thank you so much, Camilla. Thanks for being a part of the community. Thank you for your encouragement. Let's go ahead and send you your Litecoin. All right, so $10 of Litecoin coming your way. Congrats on winning. Alrighty, Camilla, here's your Litecoin. Alright, transaction is on its way. So that's it for our third winner of the day. 2 more to go. Very exciting. So let's go over some of the rules of the CryptoRuffian community. Rule number 1, treat each other with respect. It's okay to disagree. Disagreeing is a part of life. Learning to disagree with one another well is a big thing that we all need to learn. So I don't want any flaming, no hate speech, no arguing amongst yourselves. Disagree with class, guys. If you don't agree with something, just simply say I don't agree. This is my opinion. You know, I want it to be an open space where everyone feels free to share their opinions to the group, to share their hopes, to share their dreams with the group without being worried about getting flamed or getting shut down. So it's an open community where we really encourage everyone to speak their mind and to say what they would like to say, but in a manner that is respectful of others. So that's rule number 1. Rule number 2, no spamming of any kind. This will lead to banning. This includes spamming others via direct message. So don't spam user links and affiliate links and deals and scams to one another. Don't start spamming other people's direct messages either. I will hear about it and I will not be afraid to ban those who are just in the group to spam other people. So there is a spam your links section. Like I've stated before, you can spam your links and affiliate links here. It's the only place where I want to see spamming. Everywhere else is just for discussions and talk and sharing thoughts and ideas, strategies, and so forth. So that actually gets into rule number 3. There's a spam your links channel where you can post all of the affiliate links you like. Have at it. So just go ahead, spam your links here, but as far as the other channels, only post their related topics to what the channels are. All right, we'll look at rule number 4 in a second. Let's go over and find out who our 4th random giveaway winner is. It is going to be Alexander Lalilulelo. Congrats for 1K subs, Ruff. You're welcome, man. Let's go ahead and send you your Litecoin. So $10 of Litecoin coming at you. Congrats on winning. All right, man, your Litecoin is on its way. All right, let's head back and look at rules number 4 and 5. Keep the topics channel related. If there's no specific channel for your topic, use the general channel to talk about it. I will gladly take feedbacks if you send me messages and say, hey, can we get a channel for this? Hey, can we get a channel for this? Yes, I want to expand. I want channels where everyone feels like they have a place to talk about the things they'd like to talk about. So we will do more channels, guys. So if there isn't a channel, talk about it in the general chat for now, or message me and say, hey, I want a channel for this so I can share with this, and we'll gladly make new channels. I just thought this amount of channels right here would get us started, and then we would continue growing from there. You know, we can also add voice channels in the future, doing some live voice stuff, so that would be really cool as well. And rule number 5, of course, have fun and be encouraging to each other. So this is a community. I want it to be very family-like. Yes, in families we have disagreements, but we work it out in the end. We have fun together, we learn and we grow together, and that's what I want for a goal in 2018, is that we're learning and growing together. So with that, let's go ahead and pick our 5th and final winner of today's Litecoin giveaway. Let's see who it's going to be. And the winner is Sharuk Shaikh. Talk about Electronium. I will do an Electronium video here in the future. I have been meaning to do one, but my video log has currently been filled with other things. There's so many subjects, so many cryptos to talk about that it takes me a while sometimes to get to them, but I do plan on doing an Electronium video. So thanks for being a part of the community, Sharuk, and let's go ahead and send you your Litecoin. So congrats to all of you who entered to win the Litecoin giveaway today. Thank you to all of you who have subscribed to the channel, who have turned on post notifications and eagerly comment every single day your questions. I'm doing my best to be able to answer all questions you have. So Sharuk, congrats on winning. Let's go ahead and send you your Litecoin. All right, here's your Litecoin. So that is our 5th and final winner of the day. Guys, thank you so much for entering to win. It's been such a blessing. I wish I could give you guys more, and in the future we will do giveaways every once in a while. For the time being, I regret that I have to stop doing the giveaways, and that's just another life lesson to learn, is that I was too heavily invested in BitConnect and I was using profit from that to fund the giveaways, to buy Litecoin and fund the giveaways, and when that falls away, you know, it's hard to go from there. So we will continue to grow and invest every single day for the time being, doing giveaways for special achievements. I'll gladly do special giveaways, but no more daily giveaways for the time being. But guys, please leave your comments down below. Comment. I want to answer questions. I want to build community, and I hope that you guys are here for the content this channel has to offer, that we will continue to grow, learn, and dissect and demystify cryptocurrency every single day. So if you haven't yet, guys, be sure to come join the CryptoRuffians Discord chat community. Let's really build community this year, guys. You can download the Discord app for free on your phone. All you need is a valid phone number to join the group. And let's grow. Let's fill these chats with lots of information, with funny memes. Let's laugh together. Let's succeed together. Let's fail together, and let's learn and grow together here in 2018. So thank you so much for the growth, and let's continue onward going into the rest of the year. If you haven't yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, turn on post notifications, like the video, and comment a question down below that will be answered hopefully in future videos. I'm still gonna pick a question every day from the comments and answer the questions, so definitely post your questions down below. And guys, thank you so much for watching. We will see you tomorrow on another episode of CryptoRuff.